Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick comparison of two online tools that work beautifully with the Chromebook. We're going to be comparing Google Apps and Office Online, also known as Microsoft Office 365. To get to Google Apps, all you need to do is open up a browser and go to docs.parklandsd.net and then log in with your Parkland login information. For Office 365, you want to go to office.com and again click on Sign In and log in with your Parkland login information. Now you'll notice that both tools provide a variety of applications for users to work with. Within Google, you have Google Docs, the equivalent of Word, Google Sheets, the equivalent of Excel, Google Slides, the equivalent of PowerPoint. And of course, in Office 365, you have Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, and OneNote Online. OneNote is a very powerful note-taking and organizing application. Now let's take a look at opening up documents and comparing what you can do with documents in both tools. Within Google, I simply click New for a new document and I'll select Docs. Within Office 365, I choose Word Online and my document will open up. Now notice in Google that you only have one standard template, so your document just opens up. Within Office 365, there are a variety of templates to choose from. So when you're in Office 365, take a moment to scroll through the list of templates and see the variety of options that are available. For today, I'm just going to open up a plain old basic blank document and we'll do a comparison of the two tools. Notice both tools allow you to give a title to your document in the upper left-hand corner in Google, and it's in the center of the document in Office 365. You can add text to both documents. Very similar. Both applications will save the user's work automatically. Within Google, you just have to realize the work is saved every few seconds automatically. Within Office 365, there's actually a visual. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen, the application will tell you when the work is being saved and when it has been saved. You'll notice that the toolbars in Google are very similar to the toolbars in earlier versions of Office, for example, Office 2003 and 2007. You'll notice in Office 365 the ribbon is much more similar to the ribbon in Office 2010 and 2013. But both tools allow you to do primarily the same thing. You can copy and paste text and images from the internet into both documents. You can insert images. With Google, you can do it in a variety of ways. You can upload documents. You can take a snapshot using the camera built into the Chromebooks. You can insert images by URL. You can actually do a search within Google Docs for images. With Microsoft Office 365, again, you can insert images, but primarily by an upload or using online pictures. So basically, both applications provide you very, very similar features. You'll notice there's also a collaboration feature in both tools. You can share documents within both tools. Now, one difference is that currently in Google, you can share using a link only. Within Office 365, you have to share with specific people at this point. Another feature that's common to both tools is a kind of a tracking feature so that users can keep track of who has added what to a document at what time, especially if you're doing collaboration. So let's just say I'm adding a little more text to a document. And with Google, I can go under File and see the revision history. And I'll be able to see who added what item to a document and at what time. I can even go back to a previous version. That's how it's done in Google. Office Online offers a similar revision history, but I've got to click on my ID number at the top of the screen in order to access the page. Within Office Online, then, I can get a listing of all the documents and folders that I currently have available. I can click to the left of any of these items to select it. I can rename the items, I can delete the items, I can move or copy them, I can see the version history. So in order to get kind of the listing of the documents that I have available in Office Online, what I need to do is click my ID number as it's showing up in the upper left hand corner. With Google, it's a little bit simpler. The revision history is available under File, and whenever you open a new item within Google, it opens in a new window, and you always have a tab in your browser called My Drive. My Drive provides the listing of items that you've already got created and stored. A lot of similarities between Office Online and Google Apps. The thing to remember is that both of these tools work beautifully with the Chromebooks, and it provides users with access anytime, anywhere to their documents and their work.